This is a national emergency. Regular programming has been suspended. Please listen closely for important information. The following message was transmitted at the request of the U.S. Department of Defense and the U.S. Air Force. 17 missiles have been detected flying en route to these areas: Atlanta, Georgia; St. Paul, Minnesota; Dallas, Texas; Jacksonville, Florida; Los Angeles, California; Detroit, Michigan; Milwaukee, Wisconsin; New York City, New York; Las Vegas, Nevada; Jackson, Mississippi; Portland, Maine; Portland, Oregon; Seattle, Washington; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania; Boston, Massachusetts; Atlantic City, New Jersey; Des Moines, Iowa; Topeka, Kansas; Oklahoma City, Oklahoma; Albuquerque, New Mexico; Phoenix, Arizona; Huntsville, Alabama; and Omaha, Nebraska. Take shelter in a nuclear fallout shelter, and be sure to bring enough food, water, and clothing to last at least 1 year. Doing otherwise will result in acute radiation sickness and inevitably death. The National Guard will give out rations of food and water for those who have no food or water. This message will end with the national anthem. God help us all.